TRICOM technicians conduct rapid and widespread area disinfection in minutes. Our 6-log reduction, or 99.9% disinfection efficacy, accounts for the entire environment top to bottom. Once the environment has been fluid wrapped with disinfectant misting, high-touch areas and the floor are manually applicated with disinfectant to ensure all bioburden is effectively sterilized. Industry-leading electrostatic and microbial fogging technology replaces outdated methods of dispensing disinfectants. Solutions are cationically charged and converted into an ionized mist, enveloping around surfaces three-dimensionally, eliminating human error by applicating all areas the eye or manual methods may miss. This technology allows for up to 70% more surface coverage and reduces overspray by 65%. By employing this hardware, a TRICOM technician can service roughly 5,000 square feet per hour. Our line of consumables includes Unitab Safe Bleach Alternative and ionized hydrogen peroxide. These are two of the most safe and effective products in the industry. The utilities of these consumables allows for both a wet and dry application, allowing us to safely service electronic hardware, fabrics, corrosive metals, porous and non-porous surfaces without damage or oxidization. Our method is ATP proven and tested. Results from a recent display at TELUS Science World confirm our protocol employs a 6-log decontamination efficacy. For more information on your decontamination needs, please get in touch with TRICOM Building Maintenance.